Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:05 p.m. May 5th, 2021, Wednesday, hump day, coming off the second dose of the Pfizer vaccine yesterday, and I'm feeling the side effects today. So make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Real quick, not getting political or any of that crap. I decided to do it. Was kind of went against what I was going to do. I wasn't going to do it at all. And then I wanted to go see my folks who are much older, and they really wanted me to be vaccinated, which I understand. It allows them to have a little bit more protection when we come visit in a couple weeks. So I chose to do it. And am I happy about it? I don't know. I feel like crap today. I know it'll wear off probably by tomorrow, but I have like joint pains and slight headache. And today I traded, and I came in. Actually, I spoke to someone, and I was coming in really confident because last night I was fine. My arm hurt, but last night I was fine, and I was coming in really confident for trading today. Even if we had a crap day like we did, I was like ready to go. I wasn't gonna let anything bother me. And in fact, I had a couple bad trades today, and I didn't let it bother me, even though I wasn't feeling that great. I'm like, all right, I'm down. Now I got to fight back and do the right thing. So here's the SPY. Pretty much flat day on the markets. I mean, Dow Industrials was up quite a bit. Actually made all-time highs. NASDAQ was kind of flat for itself, and the SPX was definitely flat. Plays, we're definitely in the making here. I ended up on the day $92. I'm going to show you my day as a equity curve though as well. We'll just get into it. News today on EGHT. I kind of got stupid with it. Here it is. I jumped in. I thought I caught a good fill. Got out and actually got back in with more shares. It was a total mistake and got flushed down. So this was not a good entry by me, even though we had a nice little trade on this thing. I got in late and everything. So yeah, that was definitely frustrating because I was up on the day at that point and went down, and then I started playing with this stupid RHE. I don't know if you caught any of this. There was some action in RHE, and then actually the Amex or New York Stock Exchange or something went down for an hour or so, and it got really sketchy. You can see here the prints were really weird, no volume or the candlesticks, and I caught a couple. Actually, I caught this move on a retaliation play. It was only because it set up pretty nicely. It wasn't like I was forcing this entry here, and I caught a little bit of a move here. I was actually down $300 on this RHE and ended up down $51. Not $300, like $250, and then I ended up down $50 on it. Veru, I actually took a trade in the pre-market on Veru, and I got a few bucks on it. But then it just fell off, and I thought I was going to break through this 1050 level, and it didn't, and got forced down and took a small loss on that. MP was whatever, GM was whatever. RCL, I took two trades in this. It was a news event. CCL guidance from whoever about cruises, and I'm just waiting for that one to clear because that's going to be a big monster trade. And I thought it was pretty good. I actually made $50 on the trade, but then I got back in and ended up giving back a bunch of it. JWN was news as well. Nordstrom buyout, and I got a nice piece of this, only with a couple hundred shares, maybe 300 shares, I don't remember. MRNA, probably the biggest miss of the day. We had a technical glitch in our room, and the person that usually announces the news thought he announced the news, but he didn't announce the news, and Benzinga wasn't active at the time. Charlie or whatever didn't say mRNA with vaccine. What do you call? I don't know. It's protect their intellectual property and allowing other people to pretty much, make the mRNA vaccine. And it was just bad news. And it was like right here. I mean, it was right here dropping. And I shorted. I actually got in on a secondary move, and I made a few bucks on that. I actually took another trade here on this drop here. So between two trades, made $72. Peloton, I definitely got the news early on this one. Supposedly their treadmills are killing kids. Who knows? I just didn't hold on to it. I don't like to be on the short side. I just don't like being short on the short end of the trade. and I actually got in at like 94.20 something. Look at this thing, 94.20 something. Then I'm going at a low of 81. I think it was 41. Yeah, 81.41. Missed just so much of the big move here. You know, the comfortability of being in a trade is still something I fight with every day. PRPO was definitely the trade of the day. I really liked it today. It was setting up the break here of the high day here, being a big player from yesterday and the day before. It had momentum building in here, and I took this pullback right here. It was a pullback here, and took this candle up and rode it up pretty good. So that got me back to where I needed to be on the day, up $92. Is it a great day? No, but I was down. So let's just bring that up real quick for the day. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll feel much better, because right now I feel like a little bit crappy. All right, so that was my pre-market trade for like $8, I think it was. Yeah, $8, and then lost on it and got down, got back up, was profitable about $60, and then that 8 trade, and then that REH trade, and this is REH back up, and then like PTON and MRNA and all that stuff. So pretty drastic down. I was down 363 on the day, and then I was going to do one more trade. If it went against me, I was going to actually walk away just because of the way I'm feeling, and I didn't want my head to kind of mess around. So again, I hope you guys are doing well. We'll be back at it tomorrow, Thursday. It's crazy how fast time is going. It's May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, whatever you want to call it. And you guys have a good one, and I'll be back. Have a good night.